apt is a free collection of pre-installed tools that simplify the management of applications on Linux distributions. To function, these tools use what's called an index file, which is a text file containing a list of the trusted apt resource server addresses from which the packages will be downloaded and installed on your system. So, to verify that a package exists in the apt repository, we can first run the apt cache search command that will list all of the matching packages available. From here, we can either use the apt cache show command to get a bit more information, such as its current version number, for example, or the apt cache show pkg command to learn more about its dependencies. Finally, to install it, all we have to run is sudo apt-get install and our package name. And as you can see here, we're prompted with a password request. This is due to the fact that we placed a sudo before our command, which translates to super user do, or in other words, execute the following command as the super user. Indeed, as managing packages on Linux requires super user privileges, we're obligated to use the sudo utility every time we run the apt-get command. So whenever you're prompted with this, simply type in your password and press enter again to run your command. Just so you know, it might happen for some reason that a package stops working, so if you wish to reinstall it, simply run sudo apt-get reinstall. Now, in order to update packages to a greater or latest version, it is first recommended to run sudo apt-get update in order to keep up to date the apt index list where the packages will be downloaded from, and then to run either sudo apt-get install to update the single package, sudo apt-get upgrade to upgrade all of the packages at once without downloading extra dependencies, or sudo apt-get dist upgrade, which is the one I recommend to upgrade all of the packages at once, including the download of extra dependencies if required. Now, it will sometimes happen that we want to maintain certain packages at a specific version number. To achieve that, we have to explicitly specify which package not to upgrade using the apt-mark hold command as follows. To reverse this process, we can run the opposite command, which is onhold, and finally, to display the list of all the packages marked on hold, we can simply run the show hold command. To wrap it up, if you want to get rid of a package you don't use anymore, you can run the sudo apt-get remove that will uninstall the desired package while preserving its configuration files and dependencies in the case you want to reinstall it later, or you can use the sudo apt-get auto remove with a purge flag that will just get rid of everything at once. Finally, if you want to clean the archived packages that apt stores for the quick reinstallation purposes that could free up a lot of space, you can from time to time use the sudo apt-get clean command. And that's it for this lecture on managing binaries on Linux. I of course, as always, encourage you to consult the manual pages of the 3 commands we've just seen, as there are a lot more options available.